Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Strike for instant Bitcoin purchases. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Strike website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be presented with a login form. Enter your registered email address in the appropriate field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Click on the login button to submit your credentials. If your information is correct, you will be directed to your Strike account dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the Bitcoin purchase section on the main dashboard. Select the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. Review the transaction details before proceeding. Confirm your purchase following any additional prompts. Your Bitcoin should be credited to your account shortly. You are now ready to use Strike for instant Bitcoin purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.